How to use Exam Master.
Step 1. Log into your account. Click on Exam Master. Click on Exam Term. Enter term name. Click on Save. Once you save, you can find saved one under Exam Term list. Step 2. Click on Exam Hall. Enter hall number. Enter number of seats. Click on Save button. Once you save, you can find saved one under Exam Hall. Step 3. Click on Distribution and enter name. Click on Save button. Check Saved on under Marked Distribution list. Step 4. Click on Exam Setup. Click on Create Exam tab. Enter exam name. Select term. Select exam type. Select exam distribution. Give remarks if required. Click on Save button. Check saved one under exam list. Step 5. Click on Exam Schedule. Click on Add Schedule. Select exam name. Select class. Select section. Click on Filter button. Select date. Select starting time. Select ending time. Select hall room. Under marks distribution, enter full marks and pass mark. Like this schedule for all the subjects and click on Save. Step 6. Click on Schedule. Select class and section. Click on Filter button. Check saved one under Schedule list. Step 7. Click on Marks. Click on Mark Entries. Select exam. Select class. Select section. Select subject. Click on Filter button. Click on checkbox to mark student absent for exam. Enter marks obtained by the student. Give remarks if required. Enter marks for all the students. Click on Save button. Step 8. Click on Generate Positions. Select exam. Select class. Select section. Click on Filter button. Give comments if required. Positions are generated automatically. If you want, you can change. Click on Save. Select examination. Click on Progress card. Select exam, class, and section. Click on Filter button. Click on checkbox next to student's name to select all students. Click on Generate to get all students' reports. Click on checkbox next to one student to generate report of one student. Step 10. Click on Tabulation Report. Select exam. Select class. Select section. Click on Filter button to get tabulated report.
Thank you.